Hi, ito si Direk Boboy, tagahatid sa inyo ng Kwentong Pinoy. Narito tayo ngayon sa UP Los Baños, dito sa kanilang Sculpture Garden, isang major project ni Junyi. Si Junyi ay isang multi-awarded sculptor, painter, at pioneer installation artist. Bibisitahin natin ang kanyang bahay at ang kanyang studio. Sumama kayo sa amin. This weekend, Art Fair Philippines na sa Ayala Triangle, one of the biggest art events in the country. Kahit medyo nagtaas na naman ang entrance fee, tiyak kong dudumugin ito. Isa sa mga one-man shows na nire-recommend ko ay yung sa Metro Gallery. Featuring Junyi or Luis Enano Yi Jr., showcasing his suit paintings. Ano? Ano yung suit paintings? At sino naman si Junyi? Ang suit paintings ay mga gawa gamit hindi oil paint o acrylic o watercolor o pastel, the traditional media. Ang gamit ni Junyi ay usok. Opo, usok. Maitim na usok mula sa gasera. Ang gamit naman ay kerosene o gaas. Imagine, si Junyi nakahiga, tanga na nakasinding gasera. Ang itim na usok nito ay dumadaloy paitaas. Paralel sa nakahigang si Junyi ay ang nakabitin na canvas. Pwedeng papel o manipis na kahoy o tela. Malikot ang isip ni Junyi.
I started shoot in 1985. At the same time that I started silent painting. So the reason is my peculiar habit of tinkering with material that are not popular with other artists. One time I was in Binyang. There was a fiesta. We were there, an invitation, and I saw their kitchen, this old kitchen with bamboos supporting the roof. So it was covered with soot. So sabi ko, matagal na ba yan? Ay, yes sir, matagal na yan. Hindi naman natatanggal yan kung hindi mo hipuin. So sabi ko, I'll try to experiment. That was the reason at the beginning of my suit work. So, what is strange? My first suit work is almost plywood size. It's so big. Maybe because I was trying to explore more area. There was no sophistication. There was a very small attempt of the right composition. I was just experimenting how the suit will react in a particular surface.
Ang tawag sa teknik na ito ay fumage. Hindi ito bago kaso hindi widespread or popular. Mahirap kasi siyang gawin. And you need firm control and discipline to register the image on the canvas using the smoke. Lalo na kung abstract ang approach. Tulad ng gawa ni Junyi.
I just continue my exploration with suit work, incorporating it with not just suit but with clothing material, and it create an atmosphere of an atmosphere not just of modernity but a piece of work that hair back to the past. So I was trying to capture what happened in the past with my work. Actually, I'm referring to the general era when my grandparents were still alive, and we have some artifacts in our home. And generally, everybody knows that we have this mga gansilyo and bed cover and a curtain with different design. So these are the things that I try to explore and incorporate it with my suit work, because I am a fan of scientific, I'm a fan of cosmology, So I tried to capture what I feel, not what I saw or see, but how I feel about the universe in connection with my existence.
Kilala si Junyi sa kanyang conceptual attack sa mga trabaho. He established his reputation first as a sculptor. Winning major prizes, both local and international, for 5 decades. Tinumba pa nga niya ang kanyang mentor at mga nakakatanda sa kanya. Sa Art Fair Philippines, may 2 siyang piyesa. You will get a clear idea of his caliber and talent by these 2 pieces alone. Isa pa, si Junyi ay naging trailblazer sa installation art. Isa namang branch of the visual arts na mahirap pa rin matanggap ng mga tao na ang paniniwala ay ang art ay painting at sculpture only na tumatagal. We will delve on Junyi's installation art in our future vlogs. Nang tinanong namin si Junyi kung hindi ba nagsasuffer ang iba niyang involvement sa art dahil iba't ibang aspects ang kanyang tinatackle,
what is the meanings if you do that? It's just the time. It's not your talent. So if you do painting and at the same time you do sculpture, it doesn't mean that painting, if you're doing sculpture, is diminished. You are talking about time, not importance. So the importance of painting and your talent of painting will not vanish. It's just that you have more interest with other things. So hindi katulad yung iba na pinta lang ang gusto nila. I cannot blame them if they like just to paint all the time. Me, I'm very curious with everything. I'm known to explore even the forest, the sea, the river. It's all fascinating to me. So maybe another thing is because when I do my things, I was not thinking of profiting from it. So that's how I work. Even now, that's how I work. I do things that really fascinate me, or I feel in love with this kind of thing. It's not about money. Because for me, art is a creation. So anything true goes to the process of creation until it becomes whole. Anything in this planet or even in this universe, we have this process from one step down to the last step to create a particular thing, whether it's small thing or big thing. So all this journey fascinates me. Hindi lang yung the whole journey, but I'm fascinated with the segment of things. So it's for me it's magical. So I'm not bored doing it.
Junyi is one of the nominees in the Order of National Artists. Perhaps the highest honor that is bestowed sa mga artists sa Pilipinas. He is 83 years old pero para pa rin siyang sinusiang nilalang. Hindi ba siya kailangang mag-slow down? Hindi ba delikado sa health niya ang suit painting itong maiitim na usok? Kahit na naka-mask siya?
Living in this world is risky enough, So, and when you live every day, you have no protection. At least when I'm doing suit, I have this mask from NASA, and then it's covered. Then all the windows are closed. Then after that, we use electric fan to clean up the air, and you don't have to take off your mask even after the work because it's still in the air. So, but the thing is, living is dangerous. So this is safer because you're aware. You're aware of the danger. Hindi ka basta masagasaan o may nagbaril sa'yo, So, I'm sorry. But it's the way I look at life.
Si Junyi po ay taga Kabadbaran, Agusan. Marami na po siyang pinagdaanan. Marami na po siyang struggles. Marami na po siyang challenges. Pero dahil nanatili siya sa kanyang pananampalataya, sa kanyang views about art, tila ngayon, super na nagwawagi na siya. Until next time, magkita tayo muli. Isa na namang episode on art or travel or food. Thank you, guys.